Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. A recent breakthrough in renewable energy has introduced the concept of underwater kites designed to generate electricity from tidal currents. Developed by the Swedish marine energy firm Minesto, this innovative technology offers a promising solution for harnessing tidal energy and advancing towards a cleaner energy future. These underwater kites, known as dragons, function similarly to airplane wings adapted for underwater use. They are tethered to the seabed with strong cables and move in a figure-eight pattern in response to tidal currents. This unique movement allows the kite to generate lift, akin to an airplane wing, which drives an attached turbine. As the kite moves through the currents, the turbine converts the kinetic energy into electrical power, effectively harnessing the energy of the tides. Compared to traditional tidal turbines, which require consistent and strong currents to operate efficiently, underwater kites excel in areas with weaker tidal flows. Their figure-eight motion enables them to capture energy from slower currents, significantly expanding the potential sites for tidal energy generation. Moreover, these kites are designed to be smaller and lighter than conventional turbines, reducing manufacturing costs and minimizing the impact on the seabed ecosystem. The simplified design of the kite system, comprising primarily of the wing-like structure and turbine, contrasts with the complex configurations of traditional tidal turbines. This streamlined design not only simplifies maintenance but also potentially lowers repair costs associated with underwater infrastructure. Furthermore, tidal energy, unlike solar and wind power, is predictable and independent of weather conditions, offering stability and reliability to the power grid. Looking ahead, underwater kites hold substantial promise for unlocking untapped tidal energy resources. By harnessing this clean and reliable energy source, they could play a pivotal role in diversifying the global energy mix and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. As technology continues to advance and deployment scales up, the economic viability of underwater kites is expected to improve, making them increasingly attractive for large-scale energy production. Despite these advancements, challenges remain. Environmental impacts on marine ecosystems need careful evaluation, and ensuring the durability of tethering systems in harsh underwater environments is crucial. Ongoing research and development efforts are focused on addressing these challenges and refining the technology for broader adoption and integration into sustainable energy systems. In conclusion, the development of underwater kites represents a significant stride towards sustainable energy solutions. As these innovative systems mature, they have the potential to make a substantial contribution to meeting global energy demands while mitigating environmental impacts and promoting a cleaner, greener future. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.